akulira ekitongole ekirabirira ebibira mu ggwanga ki National Forest Authority Micheal Mugisha akakiiko akanoonyereza ku mivuyo gy'ettaka kamutadde ku nninga.
Under what provision of the law did the National Forestry Authority permit Gulu University to erect a faculty of medicine in the Central Forest Reserve?
And there's a proposal of gazetting the area.
Yeah, the question is, was that lawful or unlawful?
It is unlawful.
You only gave 29 hectares to Gulu University. My question then is, where is the rest of where is the rest of the forest?
Ettaka lyekibira eryogerwako liweza hectare 96 naye nga wetwogerera district y'e Gulu yasenzaako abantu naddala abo abamala emyaka 20 nga bali mu nkambi z'ababundabunda.
Few years we may not see any forest in this country.
You're causing a land rush. You're causing people to actually encroach by just mentioning the word degazetting.
Ono bamuvunaana wamu n'ekitongole ky'akulembera okwesulayo gwa naggamba ng'ebibira bisaanyizibwawo.
That it is okay for the law to be broken in order to create a public university?
It is not okay.
It is okay for the law to be broken in order to host medical students?
It is not okay to break the laws. My lord, institutions should follow the laws.
Why would NFA act as if Parliament is a mere rubber stamp? Or Cabinet indeed is a mere rubber stamp?
It needs a resolution of Parliament.
Yes.
Akakiiko katuuseeko ewaali ekibira ekimanyiddwa nga Gulu Central Forest Reserve ne kakizuula nti kyasaanyizibwawo.
Why proceed to give us an approval, any sort of document that somebody can use to claim legitimacy?
Kigambibwa nti ettendekero lya Yunivasite ey'e Gulu lyaweebwa layisinsi ku ttaka ly'ekibira lya hectare 29 ne bazimbako essomero ly'abasawo. Akakiiko kye kayisa obumenyi bw'amateeka neddira n'erimu ku ttaka lino n'erigabira kampuni ya Green Park Limited nezimbako ekisulo ky'abayizi kino.
So this land is not degazetted?
Not yet.
But two government authorities are behaving as if it's degazetted. The students' hostel in the Central Forest Reserve, we have whatever, we have apparently other people who have been given occupation permits.
This purported gazetting has been actually overtaken by private developers.
This reserve,
illegal success.
What happens there?
Illegal success.
Mugisha akakiiko kamulagidde annyonnyole gye yajja obuyinza okukkiriza Yunivasite nga tefunye lukusa kuva mu Paalamenti okuzimba ku ttaka ly'ekibira mu ngeri eno.
Was Gulu University allowed to sublicense any other occupiers on Central Forest Reserve land?
To my understanding, is not allowed without consent of the authority.
Ono wankubadde agamba nti aba Yunivasite bakikola tamanyi bamugiddeyo ebiwandiiko ebimuluma nti yasaba ne ssente eri abaddukanya ekisulo.
My lord, we have no relationship with the Green Park.
Have you made any demands for money from Green Park?
We are charging the University of Gulu.
Your concerns are only money?
That it is the Gulu University that invited Green Park. They can't go and pull down that building of public interest, which is the university agreed by the whole district of Gulu here. Everybody think.
Akakiiko kagamba nti okukyusa enkozesa y'ettaka ery'ekibira buvunaanyizibwa bwa Paalamenti era bakusalawo oba ebizimbe ebyazimbibwa mu bumenyi bw'amateeka bimenyebwa. Jingo Francis, NTV, wane Gulu.